Test 1 2 3. Hi guys, hi gang, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Welcome to the dynamic painting baking process or whatever. Today we're gonna be baking some cookies in Blender. Yeah, no, today I'm gonna try to explain where you can bake your simulations and whatever. So I am a Blender. As you can see, I created this stupid simulations, like there is some ball and it's painting whatever. Now where you can bake your simulations, you just open right here on the cache, and you're not gonna have available those options. Why? Because at first you must save your project. So go to the file and save, or maybe Control and S, and you just save in your project and it's gonna be available to you. Okay, so those options has only on the vertex. If I'm gonna change this to the image sequence, I have different options right here. So this is the folder where you're gonna bake your image sequence. This is UV map. You just selecting your UV map. This is the file PNG, of course, the image, and the other one takes a lot of weight on the hard drive. I hope you get it. PNG is good. Now this is transparency alpha or whatever it's called. This is just transparency. If you want to create some graffiti on the wall or whatever, you're just selecting this and it's not gonna be available the canvas. It's just gonna be available the brush. Yes, what the brush is doing. So it's cool. And here you can name this file. You can select right here another and just bake. Now let's change this to the vertex. We have this kind of options. So on the cache, like I said, first save your file because it's not going to be available. You have this plus and minus, so you can bake multiple simulations. Yes, if I'm going to click this plus, double click, of course, changes the name. And if I'm going to maybe tweak these options right here and click bake, I have these simulations. On this one, I can tweak another one and bake. Yes, so you can tweak those stuffs and make multiple bakes, if that makes sense. I'm gonna delete this just to show you. Now this is add and delete the bakes, if it doesn't make sense. Now this is the bake. So you just click right here, baking. I'm gonna click, and it just bakes the simulations, like you can see. Yes, so it's very smooth. Yes, I can select every frame, whatever frame I want, and it's very smooth, and it's very simple. Like on the rendering, if you want to render some animations, Blender don't have to calculate this because the baking process do this, so it's gonna be faster on the rendering time. This is simple. I think you get it. So yeah, it's very smooth of another frame on whatever frame I want. I'm gonna click delete. So right here, maybe I'm gonna change this. Okay, the end right here, and I can create, because I have baked the simulations maybe on the 130 frames. I just changed this just to show you what the calculate to frame do. It just calculates the frames. You get it. Calculates the frames that it takes baking. So from this, I have this calculating bakes. I hope you get it. Fuck my English. So I have this kind of calculated stuff right here. And yeah, baking all stuff. If you have another particle system on modifiers or whatever, you can bake all the stuff right here. So yeah, this is very simple. I hope you get it. You just open this cache, first save your project, and this is the plus and minus. This is baking process. On the image sequence, if you want to have image sequence, you have the option right here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.